Si Ate, si Pia. Kasi nag-iulit sila eh. Pisces. Ah, Pisces. Nag-check ka ba yun? Oo. Ano, pero nauna sila kasama.
Si Belen pala pati si Vergara.
Paano sila nagkaano? Nagkaano tayo? Sabay pa sila? Kababata?
Go, Veronica! Yay! Sabi, sorry!
Hindi kang pangalan sila eh.
Hindi naman yan, no?
Sila dapat hindi na nagtagin kayo. Kasi mas-sweet sila nung
Magkaibigan pa.
ngayon.
Ayan, sweet na sweet!
Bakit?
Ulit daw, pati video, sabi ni Veronica.
Ulit pati video.
Ote, say hi to the video. What can you say about the practice?
No, it's not, instructions is not published already.
Okay, that's alright, that's enough.
Oh my God, I'm not finished already.
Hi! What do you want to say?
I say that I'm beautiful.
Oh, that's enough.
Thank you.
Sabi namin na. What do you want to say? Hi! Ay, di yan, si Veronica. Sabi! What can you say?
No.
Oh, you. How about you? Okay lang. You. How about kilig mo? Sabay yan, no? Hoy! Hey! Ano ba si Franco? You, Katana, what can you say? You're very fine. How about Gregorio? Are you fine? Sabi ni Katana, ano daw masabi mo? Franco, what can you say about the practice?
Don't run. It's over.
Sige ka mag-isa. You. What can you say to?
Hindi nga.
O tapos?